Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today I am going to explain you social assignment of class 7. Topic is handicrafts and handlooms. In this we will see the questions from the subtopic, that is urban slum basket makers. Our first question is, what are urban slums? Urbanization, like where we could see the population, villages, the growth of cities and towns, right? Here, a slum is usually a highly populated urban residential area consisting mostly of closely packed, decrepit housing units in a situation of deteriorated or incomplete infrastructure, inhabited primarily by impoverished persons. So here, urbanization, slum urban, like where we could see the highly populated areas, especially the urban residential as consisting mostly closely packed, and where they could not get such infrastructural facilities. They were not sufficient for them, and where we could see the high population. That region is called as slum urbans, right? And we'll move to the question number 2. What are the problems in slum areas? Yes, like highly populated areas, and at the same time they were lacking, the infrastructural facilities were not in proper way. Why? Because of the highly populated area. At the same time, what were the things, what were the problems which were faced by the people in the slum areas? Let us discuss now. The main physical attributes of the slum areas are substandard and dignity houses of high density and congestion. Yes, we could see the high density of population who are living per square kilometer, it would be high when compared to the other places of the urban. At the same time, we are overcrowding, insanitary conditions, like as I told you, lack of infrastructural facilities. There was no proper sanitation, right? And at the same time, absence of basic amenities. Children, here amenities we need to understand, Nana. Amenities are nothing but public facilities. Public facilities. Public facilities. Like water supply, drainage and sewage and disposal of garbage. So as we can say that lack of infrastructural facilities. Lack of infrastructural facilities, right? So why? Because these are all the reason. Public amenities, absence of basic amenities, there was an absence of public facilities, what all the people they required, and at the same time, as we can say that insanitary conditions, lack of infrastructural facilities even, where they could not get this all. Why? The reason was only because of this highly populated, because of only the population. Hope it is clear, children, right? Let us move on to the question number 3. Write about Yarukala caste. Here, like basket weavers we discussed, right? Like we are going to discuss now about Yarukala caste. Women's traditional profession of fortune telling. It is called as Eruka Chapta. As you might have heard in many places, like especially women, traditional profession it is. They are going to move on from one place to the other places, like they say that they are considered as a fortune tellers even, and they say that Sodi Chapta Namma Sodi, right? That is from that caste itself, it is Yarukala caste. Especially we could see the woman here, right? And second point is, people of this tribe speak Yarukala Bhasha. People of this tribe, which tribe, children? Yarukala caste. These people, they speak the language, the tribe. It is Yaruka Bhasha, Yarukala Bhasha. Words from Telugu, Tamil and Kannada languages are used in this language. This Yarukala Bhasha, the people of this tribe speak Erukala Bhasha, that the words they have taken from the languages, from the other Bhasha, like what other languages, that is Telugu, Tamil and Kannada languages are used in this language. In which language? Erukala Bhasha. And this is all about today's assignment, children. Thank you all.